welcome to Sandpaper. And today I've come with another announcement. So, our Sandpaper Academy, last month we did not take any foundation admissions because we were completely busy in the prelims oriented courses. So, it has led to a question amongst the students ki next batch keti arambho hobo. And next batch keti arambho hoar agote Sandpaper Academy has taken a few steps. And I always think je moi to Telegram channel to koi thaku sort of a social audit apnaloku gom pabo lage ki how we have done with our courses, and tetia apnaloke eta you get a piece of information to decide whether you want to join Sandpaper or not. So last July we started. So we had a July batch, we had a September batch, we had a November batch, December batch, January batch, February batch, March batch. So out of all those batch, December or para March aloke there 2025 or junto APSC hobo, mane next year junto APSC hobo, that oriented, and we were in a position jot we had to take care of July, September, November batch completely. So we are very happy to announce je July batch, September batch and November batch, July batch or to purai finish hoye gaise, mains also. And Akshay batch hamara ase, which is a very special batch, completely mentored by me. So November loke all our batches have completed all their courses. Temlokor answer writing o start hoisile, ami tia halt kori thoisu because prelims ahise. So courses ami 8 mahot complete koru boli ko, amar ebar 9 mah lagile, but we completed everything. Everybody is ready. Crash done, rapid revision done, test series done. Tarpisot one-on-one mentorships have been given completely to everyone. Khali moi maje maje ki koru, I give a window to the students ki etu time mo available aso. If you want to have a chat with me, please drop a text, I'll call you back. So we successfully have completed all the course of all the batches who were preparing for APSC 2024. In fact, December or January when position ase je eta duta subject eri pela they'll be able to appear comfortably if they wish to. Some of them are, some of them are not. So now the next batch for APSC 2025 is going to start from June 15th. So June 15 our batch tour agot, we have made some additions to our batch, to our group, to our mentors who are going to take care of you. Apnaloke sake dekhi se I have announced it. There 2 more former civil servants, Brishti Bora, who was Assam Land and Revenue Service rank 23. Amare batcher asile, she's my friend, and Surajit Kalita, rank 12, Assam Land and Revenue Service, APSC 19, Amare batchmate. So both of them have joined us as mains specialists. So we are full set geared, and there is no other mentor group, there is no other academy which provides the kind of credibility like we do. We are the number 1 credible team in the entire Assam for APSC. And right now we are catering to APSC, hence in APSC. And number 1 credible team we have prepared for you guys. Because you might not have seen a lot of advertisements of Sandpaper. Because those who have been with us and been in touch with us, you know that advertisements are somewhere not complete information and they are not somewhere I can talk to you directly. So we do not advertise very well. We do not advertise too much. We advertise the minimum amount that is required. But silently and strongly, we have managed to prepare the most credible team with 4 officers and 4 interviewees. Nowhere, no coaching center in this whole state provides that kind of credibility that we are. So, jodi apunaloke bhabe, you want to go away from the halla challa, you want to go away from all the show and showbazi that goes on internet and get real mentorship in a stable format. No one is going to leave you in middle. No one is going to leave the course in middle. No one is going to go here and there. Nothing of that sort happens in Sandpaper because we are one stable unit, not driven by profit, driven by mentorship, driven by a purpose. So if you want to join Sandpaper, we have started registration open. You can drop a text, number to yet nahi, but I will drop in the comment section of the cell, drop a number there, and also APSC 2025 or June July batcher karone admission open or into Google form ase hetu moi link lagai din. So I do not know how you can go anywhere else, because had I been you, I would not have missed this opportunity. So join Sandpaper Academy for Civil Services for the June batch, which is going to start on 15th June. And Arvita Bostu, those of you who have followed us for a long time, you know that we only take 35 students online and offline. So we go away from crowd. Ami basic crowd or believe no koru. And 35 student online and offline not ki hoy. You get people ami by name apunalokok jane. That is what I aim for. I should know je Dhruba Jyoti Nagaon pa belong kore and teo Arjun batch student hoy teo amuk amuk problem ase. I should know je Hirok is from Nagaon teo age ebar nohol kane teo exam dibo para nai. I should be in that mode of mentorship. Then you name it and I am able to solve it for you. আৰু আমি হেতু তেতিয়াহে কৰিব পাৰিম যেতিয়া আমি 35 students online and offline মিলাই পেলাই we are able to make a batch. So 35 is not much, and you know that we don't do it for marketing purpose, exclusive, we are closing. We actually close. So before we actually close our registrations for the batch, foundation batch of June, please take the opportunity, please grab the opportunity. Had I been you, I would have definitely taken the opportunity, and we have been fortunate. I don't know whether this is the case everywhere else or not, but we have been fortunate to get the creme aspirants. The smart ones are somehow going for sandpaper. I have abhi tak not gotten any student who is not sincere in sandpaper, thankfully, because hetu logar amar vibe match na korile heten. So we have not got anyone in sandpaper who is not serious. Somehow sandpaper is able to gather the most serious people, primarily because the students who are coming to sandpaper are not coming because of glitz and glamour and color and Facebook ad and banner and hoarding. Not that, because they have seen our classes, they have taken demo classes, they have taken YouTube video, they believe the officers are the ones who will be able to take you to the finish point very easily, and they have joined us. So non-serious manhor crowd committee ke puwa nai. I don't think jami pamu, because the kind of mentorship we have, the kind of bugging we do, so we have always got the nice, the serious and the smart crowd, which we want to continue also in the future. So if you're a smart aspirant, you know what is good for you, what is not good for you. You don't follow trends, you don't follow glitz and glamour. You need only one thing, that is result. Sandpaper is the place for you. So join the June batch starting June 15th, and I'll be able to take care of you one-on-one. So I hope I see you as a student in sandpaper in June 15 batch. Thank you so much.